Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Cow. Cows give us milk and love to graze in green fields, making gentle moo sounds. Pig. Pigs are pink, playful, and enjoy rolling in mud while making oink-oink noises. Sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool coats and walk in flocks, softly calling ba-ba. Goat. Goats are curious animals with small horns and love climbing rocks and hills. Horse. Horses are strong and fast runners, helping people ride and carry loads. Donkey. Donkeys are little horses with big ears and loud hee-haw voices. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs every day and happily cluck around the farmyard. Duck. Ducks float on water with webbed feet and quack loudly as they swim. Goose. Geese are bigger than ducks, honk strongly, and fly together in groups. Turkey. Turkeys are large birds with feathers and say gobble gobble loudly. Guinea pig. Guinea pigs are tiny squeaky pets with round bodies and soft fur. Lamb. Lambs are baby sheep, gentle and playful with soft curly wool. Bull. Bulls are strong male cows with big horns, known for their powerful bodies. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle, living in prides and known for their loud roars and golden manes. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats with orange coats and black stripes, powerful hunters that love water. Deer. Deer are gentle animals with antlers on males, swift runners often found in forests and grasslands. Leopard. Leopards are spotted big cats, excellent climbers that can carry prey up trees for safety. Wolf. Wolves live in packs, communicate through howls, and are known for their teamwork in hunting. Porcupine. Porcupines are rodents with sharp quills on their back, used as a defense against predators. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth with long necks, feeding on leaves high in the trees. Zebra. Zebras are wild horses with black and white stripes that help confuse predators when in herds. Monkey. Monkeys are playful, intelligent animals with long tails, often seen swinging from tree to tree. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are huge, thick-skinned animals with 1 or 2 horns on their nose, strong but calm grazers. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with trunks and tusks, famous for their memory and strength. Bear. Bears are large, furry animals that eat both plants and meat, and some species hibernate in winter. Mongoose. Mongooses are small, quick mammals famous for their bravery in fighting snakes. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Snail. A slow creature with a spiral shell that carries its home on its back. Ant. Tiny insects that work together in strong, organized colonies. Caterpillar. A crawling larva that munches leaves before turning into a butterfly. Scorpion. An arachnid with sharp pincers and a venomous stinger on its tail. Beetle. Hard-shelled insects with shiny wings found in many colors. Lizard. A reptile with scaly skin that can regrow its tail if lost. Earthworm. A soil dweller that eats dirt and helps keep the ground healthy. Spider. An 8-legged hunter that spins webs to catch its food. Slug. A soft, slimy animal like a snail but without a shell. Centipede. A fast crawler with many legs and a fierce bite. Leech. A worm-like animal that sucks blood or clings to wet skin. Cockroach. A tough insect that can survive almost anywhere. Snake. A slithering reptile with no legs, some carrying dangerous venom. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together.
Lionfish. Lionfish looks fancy with spiky fins like a lion's mane, but watch out, those spikes can sting. Goby. Goby is a tiny fish that loves to perch on rocks, always hopping around like it's playing. Moray eel. Moray eels hide in rocky holes with a scary smile, but they only snap when bothered. Guppy. Guppies are small, colorful fish that sparkle like living rainbows in aquariums. Koi. Koi are bright pond fish from Japan, often symbols of luck and happiness. Wahoo. Wahoos are super fast swimmers, racing through the ocean like silver rockets. Cod. Codfish are mild-tasting fish that people eat a lot, swimming slowly in cold seas. Haddock. Haddocks are cousins of cod, known for their tasty meat and dark shoulder mark. Pollock. Pollock are schooling fish that swim in big groups, often used in fish sticks kids love. Perch. Perch have spiky fins and golden green bodies, popular with kids who go fishing. Bass. Bass are strong freshwater fish, famous for jumping high when hooked by anglers. Drumfish. Drumfish make funny drumming sounds with their swim bladder, like musicians underwater.
Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. This is whale. Whales are the largest mammals on Earth, gentle giants of the ocean that communicate with deep songs and migrate long distances. This is crab. Crabs are crustaceans with hard shells and strong claws, moving sideways and living both on shorelines and underwater. This is dolphin. Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals known for playful behavior, echolocation skills, and strong social bonds within pods. This is octopus. Octopuses are soft-bodied sea creatures with 8 arms, famous for their intelligence, camouflage ability, and escaping predators. This is seal. Seals are agile swimmers with flippers and smooth fur, spending time on land to rest but hunting fish skillfully in the sea. This is starfish. Starfish are echinoderms with 5 arms, able to regenerate lost limbs and move slowly using hundreds of tiny tube feet. This is stingray. Stingrays are flat-bodied fish with wide fins and long tails, often hiding in the sand and equipped with a venomous stinger. This is lobster. Lobsters are crustaceans with long bodies and large claws, living on the ocean floor and prized for their delicious meat. This is shark. Sharks are powerful predators with sharp teeth and strong senses, playing a vital role in maintaining ocean balance. This is seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish with horse-like heads and curled tails, where males uniquely carry and protect developing babies. This is manatee. Manatees are slow, gentle herbivores called sea cows, feeding on seagrass and often found in warm, shallow waters. This is jellyfish. Jellyfish are ancient ocean drifters with umbrella-shaped bodies and stinging tentacles, lacking brains but surviving for millions of years. This is squid. Squids are fast-swimming mollusks with long arms and ink defense, known for their intelligence and ability to change color quickly. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Ant. Ants are tiny but strong insects that can carry objects many times their own weight and live in organized colonies with a clear social structure. Ladybug. Ladybugs are small red beetles with black spots, known for eating harmful garden pests like aphids and being symbols of good luck. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful insects with delicate wings that undergo a complete metamorphosis from caterpillar to adult. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are green jumping insects with powerful back legs, often producing chirping sounds by rubbing their wings. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast-flying insects with 2 pairs of transparent wings and large eyes, often seen near ponds and rivers. Firefly. Fireflies are beetles that can produce light from their abdomen, glowing at night to attract mates or communicate. Wasp. Wasps are slender insects with yellow and black stripes, known for their sting and role in controlling other insect populations. Honeybee. Honeybees are social insects that live in hives, produce honey, and play a vital role in pollinating flowers and crops. Beetle. Beetles are insects with hard outer wings called elytra, coming in many shapes and sizes, living in forests, gardens, and soil. Rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetles are large beetles with a horn-like structure, incredibly strong and able to lift objects many times their weight. Praying mantis. Praying mantises are green insects with folded forearms, known for their excellent camouflage and hunting skills. Stick insect. Stick insects have long, thin bodies that resemble twigs, helping them blend perfectly with branches to avoid predators. Leaf insect. Leaf insects are masters of camouflage with leaf-like bodies and wings, making them nearly invisible in foliage. Spider. Spiders are arachnids with 8 legs, famous for spinning webs to catch prey, though some actively hunt instead. Scorpion. Scorpions are arachnids with pincers and a curved stinger tail, glowing under UV light and living in deserts or forests. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together.
Vaquita porpoise. The vaquita is the rarest marine mammal in the world, living only in the northern part of the Gulf of California. Green fish. Some fish have bright colors to warn predators or attract mates, and they breathe through gills. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and use their strong claws for defense and for catching or breaking food. Frog. Frogs can breathe through their skin and leap far thanks to their powerful hind legs. Penguin. Penguins are excellent swimmers, using their wings like flippers, but they cannot fly in the air. Bluefish. Many bluefish use their color to blend with the ocean, helping them hide from predators. Ray, stingray. Rays glide gracefully in the water with wide fins, and some species have venomous tails for defense. Red crab. Brightly colored crabs often use their appearance to warn predators or blend into coral reefs. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks are known as garbage eaters because they eat almost anything, from fish to sea turtles. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect them, and some species can live more than 100 years. Seahorse. Male seahorses carry the babies in a special pouch until they are born.
Pufferfish. Pufferfish inflate into spiky balls when threatened. Normally slow, they rely on this defense for safety. Their round shape and big eyes make them look comical. Seal. Seals flop on beaches but move gracefully in the sea. They dive deep after fish and rest in noisy groups. Their barking echoes along coasts. Killer whale. Killer whales hunt in pods with teamwork and strategy. They chase fish, seals, and even whales bigger than themselves. Their black and white bodies make them striking hunters. Starfish. Starfish grip rocks with hundreds of tiny tube feet. They regrow lost arms with ease. By everting their stomachs, they digest prey in a unique way. Shark. Sharks cut through water with silent power. As top predators, they keep ocean life balanced. Their sharp teeth and sleek bodies make them legendary hunters. Crocodile. Crocodiles lie still in swamps and rivers, waiting silently. When prey comes close, they strike with fierce speed. Armored and ancient, they are survivors from dinosaur times. Panda. Pandas spend their days chewing bamboo in green forests. Their black and white fur makes them beloved symbols of peace. Calm and gentle, they live quietly among mountains. Seahorse. Seahorses float upright, curling tails around sea grass. They drift like ornaments in the current. Males uniquely carry babies until birth. Duck. Ducks paddle easily on ponds with webbed feet. They dive for food and quack cheerfully. Their feathers keep them warm and dry. Penguin. Penguins waddle clumsily on land but dive like arrows in water. They huddle together for warmth against icy winds. Their tuxedo feathers make them look playful and smart. Eel. Eels snake through rocky reefs with stealth. They lunge suddenly to grab prey with sharp jaws. Elusive and sleek, they vanish into shadows. Frog. Frogs leap with strong legs from lily pads to water. Their croaks fill the night air in ponds. Living on land and water, they symbolize change. Octopus. Octopuses squeeze into crevices and vanish in ink clouds. Masters of disguise, they shift color and texture in moments. Intelligent and curious, they explore with 8 arms. Snail. Snails move slowly, carrying spiral shells as homes. They leave shiny trails as they crawl. Fragile yet patient, they hide inside when danger nears. Tuna. Tuna dash across oceans like silver torpedoes. Fast and strong, they chase schools of fish. Sleek bodies help them travel great distances. Shrimp. Shrimps scuttle along the seafloor with long antennae. They clean the ocean by eating tiny plants and scraps. Small but quick, they are food for many larger sea creatures. Seal. Seals rest lazily on sandy shores or icy rocks, then dive deep to chase fish. On land they look clumsy, but in the sea they twist and glide like dancers. Their barking calls echo along the coast. Stingray. Stingrays glide smoothly over the sandy seabed like flying carpets. With flat bodies and long tails, they hide beneath sand to surprise prey. Their gentle swimming is peaceful, but their sting can be dangerous. Shark. Sharks slice through the water with sleek, powerful bodies. As top predators, they keep the ocean's balance by hunting weaker or sick animals. Their rows of sharp teeth make them legendary hunters. Clownfish. Clownfish dart playfully among sea anemones, safe from stings. They live in pairs or small groups, sharing shelter and food. Bright orange and white stripes make them stand out in coral reefs. Seahorse. Seahorses drift upright in the water, curling their tails around plants. Tiny and delicate, males carry babies in their pouches until birth. Their gentle movements make them look like magical creatures. Turtle. Sea turtles roam vast oceans with powerful flippers. They return to sandy beaches to lay eggs, continuing a journey repeated for millions of years. Their hard shells protect them through long lives. Whales. Whales, the giants of the sea, sing songs that travel far underwater. They filter food or hunt fish depending on their kind. Despite their size, many are gentle and social creatures. Killer whales. Killer whales, or orcas, hunt in groups called pods. They work together to trap fish, seals, or even whales larger than themselves. Their black and white bodies make them striking ocean predators. Crocodiles. Crocodiles lurk in rivers and swamps, waiting silently for prey. With powerful jaws and armored skin, they are living fossils from the age of dinosaurs. When they strike, it's sudden and fierce. Starfish. Starfish cling to rocks with hundreds of tube feet. They can regrow lost arms, a special survival skill. By pushing their stomachs outside their bodies, they eat shellfish in an unusual way. Squid. Squids shoot through the sea using jet-like bursts of water. With long tentacles, they grab prey in the dark ocean. To escape danger, they spray ink and flash colors. Jellyfish. Jellyfish float like umbrellas, pulsing gently with the current. Their stinging tentacles warn predators to stay away. Beautiful yet fragile, they glow softly in the sea's depths. Octopus. Octopuses hide in rocky dens and squeeze into tiny spaces. They are masters of camouflage, changing color and texture in an instant. Intelligent and curious, they explore with 8 flexible arms. Horse. Horses gallop with powerful legs across open fields. They have been loyal companions to humans for thousands of years, pulling carts, carrying riders, and working on farms. Known for speed and grace, they symbolize strength and freedom. Dog. Dogs are faithful friends, wagging their tails with joy. With sharp senses of smell and hearing, they help humans hunt, guard, and even rescue lives. Each breed has unique traits, but all share loyalty and affection. Cat. Cats move gracefully, their paws soft and silent. They love to nap in sunny spots but can leap and pounce with lightning speed. Independent yet affectionate, cats have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Camel. Camels are known as ships of the desert. Their humps store fat, not water, which gives them energy for long journeys. With thick eyelashes and padded feet, they survive the hot, sandy environments with ease. Cow. Cows are gentle grazers, chewing cud calmly in pastures. They provide milk, butter, and cheese, feeding families around the world. In many cultures, cows are also symbols of nurturing and abundance. Goat. Goats are curious climbers, often seen on steep rocks or hillsides. They eat grass, shrubs, and even tough plants, making them hardy survivors. Their milk and meat are important foods in many countries. Cock rooster. Roosters crow loudly at dawn, marking the start of a new day. With bright feathers and upright combs, they stand proudly in farmyards. Their calls have been symbols of alertness and bravery. Swan. Swans glide elegantly across lakes with long necks curved like ribbons. Known for loyalty, they often mate for life. Their white feathers and graceful movements make them symbols of beauty and love. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, with long trunks and tusks. They use their trunks to drink, grab food, and even comfort their young. Intelligent and social, elephants live in herds and remember for years. Rabbit. Rabbits hop quickly with strong back legs, their long ears twitching at sounds. They love to nibble on vegetables and hide in burrows underground. Gentle and shy, they are symbols of fertility and new beginnings. Donkey. Donkeys are sturdy animals, smaller than horses but very tough. They carry heavy loads over rough paths, often in mountainous regions. With their calm nature, they have been loyal helpers to humans for ages. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds with sharp beaks and bright feathers. They can mimic human voices and sounds, amazing people with their intelligence. Living in flocks, they thrive in tropical forests. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds, unable to fly but running faster than horses. With long legs and sharp claws, they defend themselves well. Their big eggs are among the largest of any living bird. Pig. Pigs are smart animals that love to root in the soil with their snouts. Though often muddy, they are clean in their habits when given space. They provide meat and are known for their playful intelligence. Fish. Fish live in waters all over the world, breathing through gills. They come in countless shapes and colors, from tiny minnows to giant sharks. As a major food source, fish are vital to human life. Rat. Rats are quick and clever, squeezing through tiny spaces. They adapt easily to almost any environment, often living near humans. Though sometimes pests, they are also used in science to study health and behavior. Whale shark. The largest fish in the ocean, gentle giant with a spotted body. Clownfish. Bright orange with white stripes, famous for living in sea anemones. Crocodile. Powerful reptile with strong jaws, thrives in rivers and swamps. Sea dragon. A rare fish with leaf-like fins that help it camouflage in seaweed. Great white shark. Apex predator with sharp teeth, known for strength and speed. Crab. Hardshell, quick sideways walker, and strong pincers for defense. Octopus. 8-armed genius, master of camouflage and escape. Starfish. Can regenerate lost arms and has no brain or blood. Blue tang. Bright blue fish with yellow tail, famous from the movie Dory. Whale. Huge marine mammal, communicates with songs that travel long distances. Marlin. Fast swimmer with a spear-like bill, built for speed in the ocean. Leopard seal. Sleek Antarctic predator with spotted body, hunts penguins. Eel. Snake-like fish that hides in crevices and can generate shocks, electric eels. Lobster. Bottom-dwelling crustacean with long antennae and strong claws. Sand tiger shark. Fearsome-looking shark with protruding teeth, but usually docile.
Snake. Snakes can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Earthworm. Earthworms breathe through their moist skin, not lungs. Snail. Snails have tiny teeth called radula to scrape food. Lizard. Many lizards can change skin color to blend with surroundings. Crocodile. Crocodiles can live over 70 years and are excellent swimmers. Alligator. Alligators can survive cold by keeping only their noses above ice. Caterpillar. Caterpillars eat almost constantly to store energy for metamorphosis. Centipede. Centipedes are fast hunters and can inject venom with their front legs. Millipede. Millipedes defend themselves by releasing foul-smelling chemicals. Scorpion. Scorpions glow under ultraviolet light due to chemicals in their exoskeleton. Crab. Crabs walk sideways because of the structure of their legs. Spider. Spiders inject digestive enzymes into prey to turn them into liquid food. Ant. Ants can carry objects many times heavier than their own body weight. Beetle. Beetles are the largest group of insects, with over 350,000 species. Gecko. Geckos can detach their tails to escape predators and later regrow them.
This is a ladybug.
This is a ladybug. It's red with black spots. Ladybugs help plants by eating tiny bugs.
This is a honeybee.
This is a honeybee. It flies from flower to flower and makes sweet honey.
This is a caterpillar.
Caterpillars are fuzzy little crawlers that love munching on leaves. One day, they'll turn into butterflies or moths.
This is an ant.
Ants live in big groups and work together to build homes and find food. Some ants build bridges using their own bodies.
This is a butterfly.
This is a butterfly. It has colorful wings, loves flowers, and was once a crawling caterpillar.
This is a beetle.
This is a beetle. It has a hard shell and comes in many colors. Some can glow like fireflies.
This is a grasshopper.
This is a grasshopper. It has long legs and can jump very far. It makes a chirping sound by rubbing its legs.
This is a spider.
This is a spider. It has 8 legs and spins sticky webs to catch bugs.
This is a housefly.
This is a housefly. It has big eyes and clear wings. It flies around quickly and lands on food.
This is a cockroach.
A cockroach has a flat body, long antennae, and runs very fast. It often hides in dark places.
This is a bumblebee.
A bumblebee is big, round, and very fuzzy. It makes a loud buzz and visits flowers to collect nectar.
This is a mosquito.
A mosquito is a tiny insect with thin wings and a long mouth. It flies quietly and bites to suck blood.
This is a firefly.
A firefly is a small insect that glows in the dark. It lights up its body at night to find friends.
This is a fruit fly.
A fruit fly is a tiny insect that loves sweet fruits. It flies around quickly and is often seen near ripe food.
This is a wasp.
A wasp is an insect with a thin body and a sharp sting. It builds papery nests from chewed wood and spit.
This is a stick insect.
A stick insect looks just like a twig or branch. It stays very still to hide from other animals.
This is a bark beetle.
A bark beetle is a tiny insect with a hard shell. It lives under tree bark and makes small tunnels inside.
This is a leaf hopper.
A leafhopper is a tiny insect that jumps from leaf to leaf. It has strong legs and can hop very far.
This is a weevil.
A weevil is a small beetle with a long nose. It uses its nose to chew into seeds, fruits, or plants.
This is a stink bug.
A stink bug is a bug with a shield-shaped body. It lets out a bad smell to stay safe from enemies.